How to sign out of your Premier League account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for fantasy.premier league. Now, once you are in Fantasy Premier League, make sure you are signed in with the account that you want to sign out of. And now, on top of your screen, you will see the option for sign out. Simply tap on the sign out option, and with this, as you can see, you have been signed out from Fantasy Premier League. So this was about how you can sign out of Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.